Swarm Simulator.
Oh, no. It's not called Yona Swarm Simulator. It's called Beekeepers
Simulator.
And I've been playing Bee Swarm Simulator for a while, so I actually just figured out about Beekeepers.
Yeah. Okay.
On mobile, this is probably like
For the pollen.
You want to play
Oh, wait.
Boy?
Okay.
You have to click the.
Okay, so after that long loading screen, I finally got it.
Nothing.
Okay, yeah, this is really like Bee Swarm Simulator.
Time slot.
Fan made.
This is a fan-made game of Bee Swarm Simulator. I just say it's a copy, but I mean it's not a copy. Never mind.
What you said was a copy.
We might also be doing. We might also be doing some codes today. So yeah.
Yeah.
People. No, my.
People.
Okay, so I need to get rid of this. The bad things of mobile.
Let's talk.
I don't even have a bee right now.
You don't? Really? I do.
Oh wait, okay, I can get a basic
I
bee.
have toilet bees. I have toilet bees.
A basic egg that usually. Okay, yeah, this is easy. Very similar. I got a bomber bee. Oh, I got a bomber bee.
From a basic egg, yeah, me too.
I mean, I guess it's not that.
I got a way better bee.
Bears won't. Oh wait, I can talk to the bears. Never mind. I'm just thinking of Bee Swarm Simulator right now. Howdy, beekeeper.
Recently, I've been craving.
I hate that voice. Recently I've been craving some super sweet honey. I've heard that the
Daisy Field had sweeter pollen.
Don't.
Okay. Could you get me some?
No. How do you? How?
You just have to hold.
I'm so
Yeah,
much better
you
than
have
you
to-
both already.
You have to click the scooper button in the corner for mobile.
Wait.
Yeah, mobile.
There's a
You talk.
I can't.
no. I never
black
saw
bear.
this. Oh yeah. And I think I said this before, but yeah, we might be doing like at some point in the video.
There.
Now!
No, wait, whatever.
A bit.
My screen's kind of like
Like
glitch.
Like.
Oh my
Can I get any eggs? 1,000 honey.
It
for
doesn't
Paul.
let me eggs in the shop.
red black.
It's like, look right here.
Red, black. Oh wait, we should be telling some codes now.
Okay.
I already have the
First
code.
code is.
So let's. We're gonna go slow. So don't like feel rushed.
Basic beat.
But yeah, you can use these codes. Tell the codes.
The first code is the pirates came.
Okay, so. On me. Okay, so the pirates came, and I'm going to zoom in into the words for a few seconds. Yeah. So the pirates came, capital T, lowercase H-E, capital P, lowercase I-R-A-T-E-S, capital C, lowercase A-M-E. Okay, so the pirates came. Let's see what that gives me. Star jelly! Oh, yay! Star jelly. Useful. Yay! Oh, yep, I need to get off the screen! So let's give my star jelly. Oh, I got queen bee!
Already?
Yay! What's the next code?
Dinner is important.
All capital letters at the first letter.
Angel bee.
The second code is dinner. And I'll zoom in for a few seconds, and you can write this down on paper or whatever, like your computer,
Like.
whatever. This right? Okay, I did. Oh, it gives you T. So yeah. If you forgot the code, I'll just go back to it for a few seconds. Okay. So I'm not sure what the T does. I can't speak. Yeah, let's do the next code.
Which is we owe you.
We owe you.
Oh, seriously?
So we owe. Yeah, so we owe you spelled like this, and you can write it down on paper or whatever. I don't care, but yeah.
Red blacks.
So we owe you. Submit. Diamond. Oh, it gave me a diamond egg.
I know.
Oh, that's good. These are good codes, by the way.
Ninja bee, nice. I have that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I need to get egg.
Better than you.
Oh, I got an angel bee. Yay.
Nice, me too.
All legendary.
Okay, yeah. So, are there any other codes? Because
No, there are no
There's
others.
red blacks.
That I know of.
yeah.
Hey, let's watch codes.
Yeah, so there are no codes right now. I bet they're going to have more codes. But yeah, this game is like really new. Apparently, I guess. Okay, so I'm back and I actually have 5 bees now. And it turns out that we don't have all of the codes. So
Oh no, it's
Yeah.
glitching again.
yeah, I forgot all of the codes. So
We're gonna do some more codes.
yeah, since apparently there's way more codes, like hundreds and hundreds.
And hundreds of codes. Okay, let's continue.
Now Skylar will say the code since I already forgot. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
One of them is free star jelly.
Okay, so free star jelly, and most of these I've actually already redeemed. I was just taking my time. So free star jelly. Oh my gosh. And you can look at it for a few seconds. Okay. So free star jelly. And yeah, already used. But it gives you a star jelly. Yeah.
One is I can't say it, so you're gonna have to spell it, Asher, and like.
Yeah, so okay, so Cal and take I don't know. Okay, yeah, but this one's confusing, so yeah, I'm just going to put it on for a few seconds, I guess.
Tornado.
Yeah, and then submit, already used. What does it give you again?
It gives you a so. You see that doll over there?
It gives you. Wait. Did you type it in the code?
Yes.
Okay. It gives you I forgot. A microconverter.
Yes, a microconverter.
Micro.
So yeah.
And the
Next code,
And the next code is Dingback's secret code.
okay, so.
What was that for? It's glitching.
Well, let me drag.
So, yeah, that's the code. I'll put it on the screen.
Okay, a couple more.
Yeah.
Another one is Guess You Made It. Guess You
Guess
Made
You
It.
Made
have to leave the game because it's running glitch. Peace. Guess you made
Ought.
Guess You Made It.
Okay, so guess you made it.
It
Okay.
gives you a treat. I think just one treat.
Yeah.
It's not that good.
Yeah, a treat. A treat.
Okay.
No, it gives you a lot of
A
treats.
treat. The next code is, what is the next code?
Super Slave. Why down here?
So Y down here, that would be Y down here. Okay, so Y down here. So Y down here.
The next code is Mittens Egg Code SD.
So mittens, egg, code, SD. And yeah, I've already used it. Mittens egg code SD.
Okay, two more.
It gives you a silver egg.
Egg and a royal jelly. The
Okay.
next code is accessory time.
Yeah. So accessory. Oh wait, yeah, I said it wrong. Okay, sorry. But yeah, accessory time is spelled like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. So accessory time. This code is fake. Is the next code.
Yeah, which is the last one.
Well, the last one that we're going to do.
Am I better than you both? I have 8 different bees.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so this code is fake, and yeah, it gives you a Mondo converter.
It gives this last one is called I'm Golden. It's spelled really weird.
Yeah.
You use
Okay, so yeah, you need to use a 0 instead of an actual O. They look the same. So yeah, use a 0. Okay, so lowercase LDEN. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on. And it's a 0 instead of an O. Well, yeah. Okay, so I'm golden, and it gives you. What does it give you again?
It gives you a Mondo chip converter.
Yeah, a Mondo.
Converter. It gives you a couple of jellies and I think a star jelly.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll just have to see.
Yeah. So yeah, I guess that ends the video. We're basically out of time. Yeah, so I still have 5 bees. I could end it off with 6 because I still have 1 basic egg. Okay, yeah, I got a basic bee. Okay, so I guess this ends the video. See you soon. I hope you enjoyed the codes, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And make sure to like and subscribe.
Leave a comment down below.
Yeah.
Where don't me?
Yeah, maybe.
Get scammed.
Yeah, good.
Scam. Okay, bye.